G Weike, open laser cutting machine, new era. Now there is a creative power changing the world. We are thinking how to make cutting materials easier. Starting with the world. It is the largest fiber laser cutting machine, engraving machine, and marking machine manufacturer in the north of China. G Weike keeps on updating technology and improving products, becomes a high-tech enterprise, features optic mechanical integration, and specifies in R&D, production, sales of laser equipment. G Weike always provides the best services for global customers. Innovation is the eternal theme. We have the top technicians and experts in our industry. Follow the international forefront laser technology. Cultivate a technology research and development team with high-level subject knowledge and practical experience. Meanwhile, we are strategic partners with Shandong Jianzhou University and many other universities in this field. Combined with production, learning, research and application, promote the development of University Enterprise Cooperation Innovation System. 37 National reflected our top technology perfectly. As Industry 4.0 is becoming a strategy of China, our company also introduced that into our production. Digitization, network, and intelligence are playing more and more important roles in our company. We have built a workshop with an annual output of 3,500 sets of laser cutting machine. And to meet the increasing demand of our products, G Weike introduced modularization management system and imported 43 sets of advanced equipment. We keep a strict attitude on not only the whole production process, but also details. We have obtained many certificates, such as Quality Management System Certification ISO 9001, CE, FDA, etc. In order to provide high-quality products to our customers, our workshop is fully equipped to inspect and test our products so that we can ensure each machine has perfect performance and quality. We can realize G Weike's comprehensive strength and its leading position in laser equipment industry. We achieve high-quality laser machine with our strong strength. Our 70 more kinds of products include fiber laser cutting machine, metal non-metal cutting machine, carbon dioxide laser cutting machine, carbon dioxide laser engraving machine, laser marking machine, widely used in the sheet metal processing industry, automobile industry, fitness equipment industry, advertising industry, clothing and apparel industry. We provide first-class products and services for our customers with personalized solutions, standardized and scientific, to meet the various needs of customers. Products sell well all over the world and are exported to the United States, India, Canada, Africa, and others in more than 90 countries and regions. We have won the United States and Japanese market with sales champions last 2 years. Creating opportunities for employees, creating benefits for enterprises, creating value for customers, creating wealth for the society is our company culture. We use the most pragmatic way to show the world our national strength. We have the spirit of humanistic staff management concept, strengthen the integrity of education, build loyal and hardworking, pragmatic, pioneering and innovative staff. Connotation of the full development of the G Weike brand. Developing the connotation of G Weike. Looking back over past days, we are full of fighting spirit. Looking to the future, we are full of passion. As a leader of laser intelligent equipment industry, G Weike focuses on high-quality products. It wins the world praise with high-quality products. With the spirit of innovation and excellent technology, let intelligent device change our work. Let intelligent device enter into our lives. Innovation is endless. We have a dream to have a better future. We look forward to working with you. Let's accept the new challenges and make success together to achieve the great goal that G Weike is good quality and let the world be proud.